Tag 91.1.
Mahal ko, musiko, isang espesyal na Friday ito. Lalong-lalo ng mga bagets na naiiwan sa kanilang mga bahay. Ayan.
Nako, may matututunan kayo sa wakas amin.
Kami nga may natutunan, kayo pa kaya. Kausapin natin ang ating guest ngayong araw sa Tag 91.1.
Pero bago yan, syempre, ito ang kanyang, ano ba tawag sa ganito?
Curriculum vitae.
Ano resume? Okay.
Biodata.
Special to ha. Ako kasi medyo athletic din ako minsan.
Tara, hindi halata
Okay. He's the Football Federation Board of Governors, Youth and Membership Committee, Chairman of PFF, Teen Ascal's Character Formation Coach, all the way from Baguio City, Football Association President or in Baguio City. He also coaches Skyhawks varsity team, Take-Two basketball team, and WCC Aviation School Character Formation Director. Matindi to, partner.
Director.
Oo. Pwede ako mag-apply ditong artista, director.
Sabay na tayo.
Mali. WCC Aviation School Athletic Director pa rin. Ito yung mga medyo kabatch ko. Brother
Kabatch.
of Francis Arnaiz, the
Yun,
PBA Hall of Famer.
Yun,
Ng Toyota Ginebra, kung hindi ako nagkakamali back then, no?
Taray, napaghahalata ang edad.
Huwag ka na magulo, mo na. Alright. Partner with Sonny Jaworski din, no? Noong mga panahon, no? So, they go back noong mga panahon namin.
Dumidede pa ako noong mga time na yun.
Patay tayo.
Matandaan.
Please welcome Coach Leo!
Hi, Coach!
Hi, magandang umaga sa
Ayan
mga
na.
listeners nyo.
Ang taray ni Coach, mas mukhang bata kay Bob.
Sakaling kaya kita.
Coach, bakit ka napadpad ngayon dito sa Dubai?
Wala, nagbabakasyon din.
Nagbabakasyon. Naglalakwatsa, 24 hours sa mall.
Bakasyon mode. No, I was asked to come here kasi ang ginagawa ko talaga sa Pilipinas kasi hindi porket Pilipino ako. Pero naniniwala talaga ako na ang Pilipino is uniquely made, no? We're designed to excel. So, medyo in-invite ako dito kasi there was a camp, young professionals camp here. Like more or less ang theme ng camp is a Filipino is excellent.
Oy.
So, medyo I was there to motivate, to encourage and to make the Filipinos realize the truth, not what we other people believe we are. The truth is we're talented.
Pero Coach, di ba, lately we're making parang noise na in the industry of like whether if it's singing, Hollywood or celebrity or sports.
Exactly.
So unti-unti we're getting there.
Yeah, no, we're there but people don't realize it.
Yun,
di ba? Andun na tayo.
O nga
Kaya
pala.
lang hindi lang nalalaman ng
Sa bagay.
mga ibang tao, especially tayo mga Pilipino. Kaya kung titingnan mo minsan we underachieve kasi we don't know na we're excellent. So akala natin naniniwala tayo sa mga ibang lahi na nagsasabi na we're never good enough. Opinion nila yon. Hindi yan ang
Tayo pa naman mga
katotohanan.
Pinoy, mahilig maniwala sabi-sabi ng iba.
Madaling mauto, kumbaga.
Yun.
Hindi. Kasi kung babalik natin, bakit tayo ganon? Ang kultura natin, we've been colonized. So, syempre, yung nagko-colonize sa atin will never admit we're better than them.
Exactly.
So, kinonvince tayo from generation
you
to
guys are
generation.
this, you guys are that.
You
Parang
guys
ganun.
are the, dyan kayo sa baba,
Yun.
pang ganito lang kayo, pang ganun lang. Pero sa totoo lang, mas magaling tayo sa kanila.
So minsan pala totoo, partner, yung sinasabi nila in some other work or field or kung saan man yan na medyo threat ang Pinoy sa ibang, siguro sa iba, parang ganun, no?
Sa bagay. Dahil din, bukod sa pagiging masinop natin, excellent tayo pagdating sa mga work natin.
Tsaka,
Yes.
when it comes to work, kasi multitasker po kasi talaga tayo, no? Parang paggawa mo sa akin to, sige, paggawa mo sa akin to, sige, kaya ko pa naman.
Kung tutusin mo lang, we're multi-level, we're multi-talented. And yan ang hindi, yung mga ibang lahi, hindi ganun eh. Yung talagang, pag pinaisip mo sila dalawang bagay, wala na, nalilito na sila.
Ano ba yan? Nakakainis, ang galing-galing ko naman pala.
Yung tayo.
Buti po nandiyan kayo.
Hindi, talaga, totoo yan. ganon talagang Pilipino eh.
Tama.
Pero
Ganun
si
siya
Sir
talaga.
kasi nagkaroon siya ng motivational talk tapos na lang no last month.
Last Monday.
Kakatapos lang.
Oo.
That's why nandito ako.
Oh,
For
and
two things, no? Yung pumunta ako dito especially for our young professionals. Kasi we really have to make an impact now in the world. Iyan, tama yung sinabi mo na little. Would you believe we're already in the Oscars sa Hollywood? Never thought of before. We're already in the Grammys. We're already in all of this. We already completed the beauty contests.
Oo
Miss
nga naman.
Universe, di ba?
Grand Slam,
Miss
yeah.
International, ngayon Miss World. Kinikriticize pa rin tayo. You see, threatened yung mga pangit doon sa labas, threatened, di ba? Kasi masyado tayong
Talagang
maganda.
pangit?
Guwapo,
Pag
di ba?
ako naging Miss World, subukan nila mag-threaten.
Ay nako.
And speaking of, eto nga, napag-usapan kanina na may plano kayo na magkaroon ng clinic, tama?
Yes.
Clinic.
Gusto
So,
ko
hiring
yan.
yung mga nurse.
Kasi hindi lang sa hindi lang sa area ng trabaho and profession, no? Pati sa sports.
Yun. Pag-usapan natin ng sports.
Ang Pilipino talaga nag-excel. Ang Manny Pacquiao. How can you deny that? Bulag na bulag ka na talaga pag
Tama.
hindi mo nakikita yung excellence niya.
Tama.
Di ba? And so many others.
And speaking of, eto na nga, sabi nga niya, tama ba yung something to do with Olympics? Bakit hindi pa rin tayo nagkakagold?
Yes,
There's a reason behind it.
I'll just follow up with your question, yung future plans. And then I'll go
Okay,
back
go.
to the
Sige, coach.
Ang future plans dito is I also came to try to come up with something that can help really our athletes here, our young growing kids, yung mga bata natin, whoever, na we need to excel in that area. So we're gonna come up with hopefully clinics not only for basketball, pati football, ibang sports, which will really emphasize on character. Of course, technically, believe me, pagtapos ng clinic, you'll be the best. Technically.
Yeah.
But dadagdagan natin ang character. And then, to answer that second question, the year 2000 sa Olympics sa Sydney, 15 coaches kami ng mga Pilipino pinadala doon. We were sent there to answer this question in the perspective ng Olympics. Why is the Filipino an underachiever? Bakit sa Olympics wala pa tayong gold medal when they acknowledge the fact that we're world champions? So syempre nagtatakang mga Olympic Committee, but ito mga Pilipino, ang galing-galing nila, but wala pang gold medal. So we studied, no, na may study kami doon, and this is what was found out. To get 100% best of anybody, let's say in sports or in any field, you need two components. One of the components that's needed, of course, is technical know-how.
Okay.
Kung let's say basketball player ka, kailangan mo malaman dribble left and right, don't look at the ball, between the legs, behind the back, kung nandun ng kalaban sa kaliwa, sa kanan ka, yung ganon. Football, the same thing, any sport. Technical know-how is one. But the second one, na dito tayo medyo mahina because also, not to give reason, not to make excuses, but like I told you, because of the colonial mentality. Ang second is character. Bihira yung mga coaches natin sa bansa natin na nag-emphasize on that area ng character. We have good technical coaches, pero yung area ng character, doon tayo medyo
Sablay.
sablay. Medyo sablay tayo. Not because wala tayong character. It's just that hindi tayo, we're not aware na we have it, and then the coaches just don't put much time on that. Dito kami, this is where we're different. Because we always tell our players, we want 100% best for you. But if we don't develop them 100%, you'll never get 100%. So the coach will say, I want you to be the best. So he'll teach them technically. If it's only technical, you'll never be the best. You'll never have 100% output. You need to include character. See, so right now, that's why I'm a coach in Teen Ascals, PF Philippine Football Federation, and I'm the committee chairman of the youth committee. We are now focusing on these two components. And that is what we want to bring here.
Wow.
We want to come back here, with of course your local organizers here or whatever, and really maximize the talent of the Filipino. Exactly.
Kabataan na gustong
And
maging actors.
may
ganyan.
pilot, kasi I make those programs, no? For schools, I make programs for groups. We have really, yung tested and proven.
Parang existing, kumbaga.
Existing, we got like, kung sa character lang, we got the worst. No.
Baka dun ka.
Baka doon ako mag-excel.
Doon ka mag-excel sa worst.
Kasi kung worst, wala ka nang pupuntahan kung hindi taas. Di ba? You
Yan ang
can't go
sinasabi ko
lower.
sa iyo eh.
You can't get lower than
Diba?
the worst, di ba?
My cup is empty.
So yun, we have already tested it.
And then you come all the way from Manila and then now you're here.
We'll give effort.
Oo,
kumbaga.
kumbaga i-shake yung personality ng Pinoy. Siguro in general na, huy, may character ka, magaling ka, mahusay ka. Hindi lang masipag ka, pero mahusay ka. Parang ganun.
Yes. Hindi, tama ka. Tamang-tama ka. You're right.
At dahil dyan, syempre may gustong pasalamatan si Coach. Yan.
Like a true Filipino, I have to thank some people.
Oo, true.
Hindi nawawala yan.
Pwede mag-greet.
Pwede, Coach. Ikaw, go.
Anyway, I'd like to thank my sponsors, the sponsor that allowed me to come here, Evelyn Guillen.
Yeah.
Okay? She's the person behind Evelyn's Leche Flan.
Naku, yun nakahanapin ko pala.
Yeah. Pagpunta mo, whatever Filipino supermarket, andun yan.
Sige.
Evelyn's Leche Flan. You find that, I think, in Dubai, West Zone.
Supermarket,
Almaya,
yes.
supermarkets like that, which I'm not very familiar, but it's all there. So, I'd like to thank her because she excels in that area.
True.
Sa cooking, sa ganun. And she believes that the Filipino is excellent. So, she doesn't mind like sponsoring me, coming here and all of that. Magpapasalamat ako sa inyo. Thank you for giving us the chance, me the chance to tell our Filipino listeners that you are excellent.
Thank you,
sir.
Ano
Thank
yan
you, Coach.
hindi to make you feel good or
Walang
whatever.
bola.
Walang bolahan ito. Ito ang katotohanan.
Mga
Believe it.
kabanding, dinig nyo yan ha. Magaling daw ka, sabi ni Coach.
and may value kayo. So why ba't kayo gagawa ng hindi tama?
Oy, ba't
Kung
ka
may
daw hindi
value
gagawa
kayo.
ng tama, Bob?
Papakabait na nga po.
Hindi na kailangan gawin yan. Bakit sabihin natin sa buong mundo? You get me and you will get an excellent person.
Yan
ang kailangan natin.
Well
Thank
said,
you very much.
Coach. Well said. Maraming salamat sa pagbisita mo sa amin dito.
Salamat sa inyo.
Thank you so much.
Hopefully, next time, pagbalik ni Coach, tuloy-tuloy na ang mga clinics na yan.
Tsaka gusto ko sumama dyan ha. Pagka
Gusto ko pa injection?
Hindi. Pagka
Tapos,
magtotok, okay ako dyan sa
pagbalik
mga
ko,
ganyan.
kakanta ako.
Bet na bet! Anyway, maraming salamat, Coach Leo!
You're welcome. God bless you all.
Yan. At syempre, sana na-inspire namin kayo. Tayo talaga
Oo, bihira to.
na-inspire.
Actually, first time to sa Kantambayan na magkaroon kami ng bisita.
Oo.
On a
Dapat
weekend,
nga pakatayin
diba?
natin si Coach kasi Kantambayan eh. Next time daw pagbalik.